In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on your Microsoft account. To do that, head over to Microsoft.com and sign into your account. Then click your account on the upper right and click My Account. Now, once you're in the back, now once you're in your account, go ahead and click on Privacy in the website and scroll down, and you will find Browsing and Search History. Click on that. Now you can scroll down and find the search history, and so you can easily go ahead and delete your search history. Here you can find the option to clear all activities, or you can just simply go ahead and click on a single one and it's going to delete it for you. And so that's pretty much it. In case you have archives as well, you can click and download your data, and you'll be able to find archives listed under these sections, and you can easily go ahead and delete those archives from here as well. So that's it. That's how you can easily go ahead and delete your search history on your Microsoft account. Very easy and very simple.